Surely you've tried a slice of pizza in your life, but have you ever tasted frozen pizza? Let's explore the process of making frozen pizza at the factory together. Leave a comment to make sure you'll watch the entire video with me. The process of producing frozen pizza at the factory starts by placing the ingredients into the dough mixer. The main ingredients, such as flour, water, yeast, salt, and oil, are combined and mixed evenly in the machine to create a smooth and uniform dough mixture. Once the mixing process is complete, the dough is transferred to the dough sheeter. Here, the dough is rolled out thinly to achieve the desired thickness, ensuring the pizza crust has a perfect texture. If you have an item you want to roll out thin, you can come to the factory and try it with this dough sheeter. When the pizza crusts meet the standards, they will be transferred to the shaping line to be divided into evenly sized rounds. These rounds will serve as the base for each pizza, ready for the next steps in the production process, such as adding toppings and baking. This automated process ensures consistent quality and enhances production efficiency. After being pressed into crusts, the dough will be allowed to rest for a certain period of time. This process helps the dough to rise evenly and stabilize, preparing it for the addition of toppings, ensuring perfect flavor and texture for the pizza. The next step in making pizza is spreading tomato sauce evenly over the rested crust. After spreading the sauce, toppings such as vegetables, meat, and other ingredients are added. This process is typically done using automated machines to ensure consistency and speed. Finally, a layer of cheese is sprinkled over the pizza, completing it with a delicious topping. These ingredients are arranged so that each slice of pizza has enough toppings and distinctive flavor. If you enjoy extra cheese, please leave the number 1. The final step in making pizza is to place the pizza into a rapid cooling system. This process ensures that the pizza is frozen instantly, preserving its flavor and quality. After being frozen, the pizzas are transferred to an automated labeling and packaging line. Each pizza is labeled with product information and storage instructions. This process ensures product traceability and quality before they are transported to retail outlets. Using frozen pizza offers many conveniences for consumers. Firstly, convenience is a standout feature that many people favor. You can easily take it out of the freezer and bake it without worrying about the preparation process from scratch. Secondly, there's a wide variety of options. Frozen pizza is produced with different toppings and flavors, catering to everyone's culinary preferences. Lastly, it saves time and effort. You don't have to go out to buy pizza or wait long for delivery. You can enjoy a delicious meal right at home in just a few minutes. Do you like frozen pizza? If yes, leave a comment with yes below. If you don't enjoy pizza because you're afraid of gaining weight, then I'll take you to something healthier. That's dried bananas. Let's continue exploring the dried banana processing plant with me. Growing bananas is a labor-intensive and patient process. Farmers start by selecting banana varieties suitable for the geographical conditions and climate of the growing region. Throughout each stage of the plant's development, they must control pests and diseases and provide consistent watering to ensure a fruitful harvest season. As harvest time approaches, farmers use specialized machinery to assess the ripeness of banana plants. This machine can measure the length, color, and firmness of the fruit. Once the bananas reach the desired ripeness, they are harvested and transported to the conveyor belt. This process requires carefulness and skill to ensure no damage or spoilage occurs during transportation to the consumer market. Workers at the factory clean the bananas by immersing them in water tanks, where any impurities and dust are completely removed. After the washing process, the bananas are inspected for quality and packaged according to standards. The packaging process ensures freshness and hygiene for the product before they are sent to the processing line, where the bananas will be processed into dried bananas. The process of making dried bananas begins when the bananas are fed into a dedicated conveyor belt for this purpose. Workers peel the bananas and slice them thinly to prepare for drying. Then, the banana slices are fried to retain natural flavor and enhance sweetness. Next, the bananas are placed in the drying oven to remove moisture and preserve quality. Finally, after drying, the bananas are carefully packaged and prepared for distribution. These dried banana products will be shipped to stores and supermarkets, ready for consumers to enjoy. Do you like dried bananas? If not, please leave the number 0. In addition to being dried, bananas are also a delicious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. They are a rich source of nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, which help boost the immune system and improve digestion. Bananas are also a natural energy source, aiding in immunity and muscle strength. Furthermore, they contain serotonin and norepinephrine, which help improve mood and reduce stress. This makes bananas an essential part of a healthy diet. The largest exporters of bananas are typically concentrated in countries with large banana production, such as Ecuador, the Philippines, Costa Rica, and Colombia. Ecuador, with its rich soil and warm climate, holds a leading position in the banana industry, exporting large quantities to markets worldwide. The Philippines is also one of the largest exporters of bananas, with stable production and high quality.
The production process of modern automatic wooden cable reels is not just a technical job, it's an art, where skill and automation combine to create high-quality products that meet the ever-increasing demands of the market. It all starts with the loading and material supply stage, where timber logs are brought into the factory and placed on conveyor systems using automated loading machinery. Next comes the smooth bark peeling process, removing any remaining bark on the logs and setting the stage for subsequent steps like cutting to length and shaping. A standout point is the quality inspection process, where each cable reel undergoes meticulous scrutiny to ensure precise dimensions, surface smoothness, and no defects. This ensures that every product meets the highest quality standards before hitting the market. The final steps, like surface treatment and packaging, are equally crucial. Surface treatment may involve procedures like drying, termite treatment, or coating to enhance durability and aesthetics. Then, the finished cable reels are carefully packaged on pallets or in suitable ways for transportation. All these processes not only ensure the quality and stability of the product, but also showcase the meticulousness and sophistication of human involvement in the manufacturing process. This elevates cable reels from being mere products to technical art pieces, contributing to the advancement of the modern wood industry. Releasing a giant tail-whacking whale into the ocean is a complex and delicate process that demands careful planning and execution. The goal is to ensure the safe and successful reintroduction of the whale into its natural habitat while minimizing any stress or harm to the animal. Preparation involves a thorough assessment of the health and condition of the tail-whacking whale to determine its suitability for release. This includes evaluating its swimming ability, appetite, and overall behavior. If necessary, the whale may be tagged with a monitoring device to track its movements and gather data on survival and behavior post-release. Once prepped, the whale is carefully transported to the release site, often using a special harness or rig. The transportation process aims to minimize stress and ensure comfort for the animal. The release is carried out at a meticulously chosen location to provide the whale access to suitable food sources, ample space for movement, and minimal human interference. The timing of the release is typically selected to coincide with favorable environmental conditions, such as calm seas and warm water temperatures. The eel farming process is a complex and fascinating journey, requiring carefulness and patience from selecting breeding eels to nurturing and harvesting them for commercial use. First and foremost, choosing healthy and reproductive parent eels is the key to kickstarting the process. When spawning is stimulated and eggs are collected, the larvae rearing process begins, demanding care and providing suitable food. During the elver stage, juvenile eels are raised in separate tanks, providing them with an ideal living environment to grow. Once they reach the appropriate size, they are transferred to fattening ponds, where they have ample space and optimal water conditions for growth. After reaching market size, eels are carefully harvested and prepared for processing. This process involves humanely stunning the eels and sorting the products by size and quality. Finally, the products are marketed and distributed through various channels, from domestic markets to export markets, bringing benefits to consumers and eel farmers alike. This team comprises dedicated and hardworking farmers who take pride in their work. With skill and dedication, they carefully harvest each jackfruit, not only for market sale but also to cater to the culinary needs of the community. Amidst hearty laughter and camaraderie, they work as a team, fueled by passion and encouragement from one another. The harvesting process is not just a job, but also a source of joy and pride for them, leaving them satisfied with what they've accomplished. They slice and savor the jackfruits, enjoying the fruits of their labor both literally and figuratively. Have you ever seen a jackfruit orchard with trees laden with fruit like this? Drop a 1 if you want to own this orchard. The process of producing squid paste at the factory in Taiwan is a marvel of craftsmanship and dedication. From selecting quality ingredients to delicate processing, each step is executed with precision and passion. The delicious and distinctive flavor of squid paste is simply irresistible. This is the result of the perfect combination of top-notch expertise and the team's relentless creative spirit at the factory. Glass recycling to minimize environmental impact and production costs. Next comes the melting stage, where the raw material mixture is heated in a furnace at high temperatures, forming molten glass. This process requires precise temperature and timing adjustments to ensure product uniformity and quality. Once we have molten glass, the crucial next step, Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First, the channel manager, content writer, and finally, the editor.